Alright, welcome back again everyone. Today's little job will be to fix up this is an EGR cooler. It's off a Nissan Navara. It's off a turbo diesel. I'm not sure what model engine's in it. What's happened is the flange on the end has come away, like it's broken off. This is really thin, it's just tin. So what I might do is machine up a sleeve to fit inside there. I think it's got a 30mm bore in there, so I'll make up a sleeve to go in there, and I'll make it a step on the sleeve so it fits inside this bit here. I'll braze it hopefully on the inside, and then when I put it on here I can braze it on the inner side of there, and then I can probably run a braze around the outside of that on the flange as well, because I don't think it's going to be strong enough if I just braze it directly onto there. Just want to make it a bit stronger, so if this snaps, it's sort of, your car's dead in the water, sort of stuck on the side of the road. Alright, so I put a piece of bit of round stock I had just lying around, so I'll turn that up 30mm OD, and then I'll bore it all out as well. Alright, we need to turn the OD down to 30mm. So I think it's about 38mm at the moment, so I'll just do a clean up cut and I'll take a measurement. Okay, that's spot on 30mm. There's the inside of this flange now. That's the next bit, next step. Okay. That's actually the inner side of that. Okay, now I'll part it off. How are we looking at? Good. Okay, I've got the little sleeve made up. So what I'll need to do is clean up the inside of this surface, because I have to braze on there. It needs to be pretty clean. So I'll just hit that with a Dremel. Inside of this as well. Alright, now we'll see if I can get this ring to fit in, or sleeve. It's all egg-shaped, that hole, so hopefully it'll stretch the right way. Definitely made it a nice neat fit. Just feels all out of shape. What I'll do is just take this over the grinder and put it like a chamfer on there, and I'll see how that goes in. Put a bit of a chamfer on that just with the grinder, made all the difference. Okay, I'm happy with that. Hopefully that part there should slide on. Alright, it all fits, so all I do now is braze it all together. Alright, I should be able to braze the inner part of that, and then I can run one on the outside. Okay, I'm happy with that one. Okay, so now all I have to do, make sure it's in camera shot, braze around here now. So I'll set that up so I can braze around there without too much trouble. Alright, let's have a go to the outside now. I've got the other end just sitting in the vise just to hold it all up. It's a bit springy, but I'm not going to be banging on it too hard. Let's give that tip a bit of a clean. I think it's got something in it. Thought there was something in it before. Try that again. Oh yeah, it sounds a bit better. Well, it's all welded back on. Took a bit of doing. Welded on the inside, like brazed on the inside and brazed on the outside. I don't know if there was impurities were leaking through from the carbon from inside it or what it was, but it took a bit to get on there. But they'll be happy with that because that was an expensive item to replace, and it was much cheaper just to get it fixed. Alright, so I'll hand this back to them, and thanks for watching.